All right, come on, Nate. I gotta get off this beach. Sam! Sam, can you hear me? Oh, shit. Sam, goddammit! Sam! Sam! Sam, are you there? Oh, thank God, our supply box. For God's... Of course. Everything's gone. Maybe that's a good sign. Maybe Sam took it. Bright side, can't lose anything else. Besides my life. I'm talking to myself, that's the first sign of crazy. Jesus. Okay. I'm alright. Oh, shit. Just push through. Just push through it. No, come on! What the hell with this place? Damn it. Yes. Sic parvis magna. Sam. Where are you? Crap. sweat, Sam. I'm coming to you. Up we go. Oh shit! That's a long way. Whoa. Up we go. Oh shit! That's a long way. Long way down. Whoa. Rafe. Ah, damn it. Watch your back, Sam. That should hold. Let's hope. Please work. Please work! That I didn't expect. Whoa. Where to now? Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's refreshing. Are you trying to climb up there? In those boots? Oh. Pretty sure you don't need this. Pretty sure you don't need this. Yeah, it's working. Almost there.
Wait, you got a target?
Saw something, maybe. Movement along the tree line.
Well, that thick jungle over there, eh? It's all moving. I don't see anything.
Damn it. All right, everyone. False alarm. But keep an eye out. Let's go.
What the?
Oi! Over here! I got him!
God damn it. Great.
Wait. Target?
Saw something, maybe. Movement along the tree line.
Well, that thick jungle over there, eh? It's all moving. I don't see anything.
All right, everyone.
Wait. What's that?
He's here!
Great.
Wait. You got a target?
Saw something, maybe. Movement along the tree line.
Well, that thick jungle over there, eh? It's all moving. I don't see anything.
All right, everyone. False alarm.
Great.
Wait. Target?
Saw something, maybe. Movement along the tree line.
Well, that thick jungle over there, eh? It's all moving. I don't see anything.
Damn it. All right, everyone. False alarm. But keep an eye out. Let's go.
Great.
Wait. Target?
Saw something, maybe. Movement along the tree line.
Well, that thick jungle over there, eh? It's all moving. I don't see anything.
All right, everyone. False alarm. But keep an eye out. Let's go.
One of them is a hip-hop. The other brother. He shot a couple of our men and ran off. You think the other one's alive? Until we find the body. I'm gonna go with yeah.
How'd they survive that wreck?
They keep getting lucky.
Well, luck eventually runs out.
You'll see.
All right then.
Go check.
Got it.
What was it? Nothing, Grim. We're clear. How's it? You got any refilling?
Thanks. Don't use too much. I was feeling this won't be a short time.
Shit, what was that?
Relax, why don't you?
Where to go?
Okay, where to? Oh, what's this? Wow, that is pretty dark. Seems like Burns' crew had about as much luck as me with this treasure.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! No, no. Holy shit.
I nearly shot your head off.
Sam, you're okay.
Yeah, nothing I can't walk away from. It's good to see you're alive, little brother. Come on. We got a treasure to find.
Hold on, man. I mean, what are we doing?
What do you mean?
I mean, our supplies are at the bottom of the Indian Ocean.
Okay, so we go steal some from Nadine's army.
Yeah, and there's that. We're going up against an army
We've been holding our own so far.
while being marooned in the middle of nowhere.
We were trying to get here,
When
remember?
we had an escape plan. Just hear me out. Crazy suggestion. Let's go down there and at least secure one of Rafe's boats.
The boats can wait. You want to know what we're doing here? We are buying my life back. Okay, and we're going to do that by stepping into that jungle and finding the battalion.
Have you even seen any signs of a massive pirate colony? Because I sure the hell haven't.
It's a little late to start developing doubts, don't you think?
Look, can we at least acknowledge the chance that maybe Avery's idea for a secret pirate utopia didn't pan out?
And maybe we're just swept up in this fantasy, when instead we should be looking for a real way to save you. I'm gonna scour this island inch by inch if I have to until I find that treasure. Now, if you're confused about what you're doing here, then you can go home, Nathan. Wait. I can go home? Are you kidding me? Do you have any idea what I put on the line to get you here? About what I put on the line, okay? The last 15 years of my life.
This has nothing to do with that.
It has everything to do with that. What? Holy crap. You still want to go home? Let's just see what else we can find. This way, Nathan.
I'll be damned.
A good start.
Yeah, let's just hope the rest of it isn't buried under centuries of dirt and rock.
It's this way.
Sam, up here.
We're coming.
Well, no one's home.
This place has seen better days, huh?
Yeah, the roof could use some work. Sam, this way. Yeah, that's not happening.
Hey, Nathan. I think there's a way through here. Nathan, this way. Musty. All this crawling's a good workout for my quads. Look at this place. This is no straw hut.
Yep, some honest-to-God masonry in here.
Where do the masons come from? I mean, you average ship, I have some good carpenters among them, coopers, but not masons. Man, what I wouldn't give for a camera. Ugh, feels good to stretch out again.
Yeah, you said it. Hey, there's a way out.
It's too high, even for a boost. Let's find something to stand on.
There's a crate, I got an idea. Here we go. Heads up!
All right, we're in business. Holy shit. You're gonna want to see this. What do you see?
No houses, wide street. Clearly a commercial district of some kind.
Yes, thank you for that, Nathan. Come on. What do you see?
You just want to hear me say it, don't you?
Really want to hear you say it.
All right. Libertalia.
Libertalia! The long-lost legendary pirate utopia discovered after 300 years by one Samuel Drake. And his younger, slightly less charming brother who happened to be tagging along for the ride. You know, I always knew you'd make something of yourself one day.
Yeah, just so you know, it's not my first lost city.
You should just enjoy the moment. So where you want to start?
How about that building right over there?
Oh, you mean the one with the massive guard tower?